exploring the high-flying world of the jet set. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. A phrase that you might have heard in movies, on TV shows, or read in books and magazines. We are going to dive deep into the meaning and use of the term jet set. So, if you're ready, let's get started. The term jet set originated in the 1950s, and it refers to a lifestyle that is often seen as luxurious and glamorous. It is associated with people who have the wealth and means to travel frequently by jet to various high-end destinations around the world. These could be places like Paris, New York, or the beaches of the Caribbean. The key idea here is the luxury and frequency of travel. People who are part of the jet set are often wealthy individuals, celebrities, or socialites. They tend to indulge in expensive hobbies, attend exclusive parties, and stay at lavish hotels. The lifestyle is characterized by an abundance of leisure and luxury. However, it's important to note that this term can sometimes carry a negative connotation, implying a sense of frivolity or lack of responsibility. Now that we have a good understanding of what jet set means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. After winning the lottery, they lived a jet set lifestyle, traveling from one exotic location to another. The movie depicts the jet set life of the 1960s, full of glamour and excitement. She was tired of her jet set life and longed for something more meaningful. Notice how in each of these sentences, the term jet set helps to convey a sense of luxury, travel, and high society living. There are also variations of this term that you might come across. For example, jet setter refers to a person who lives a jet set lifestyle. It is used in the same way as jet set, but as a noun to describe a person rather than the lifestyle itself. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of the jet set. We hope that this video has helped to clear up any confusion about what this term means and how it is used. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding phrases like these can help to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.